What if I told you that saving money in your 20s is not enough? That no matter how many lattes you skip or how often you say no to brunch, you're still not getting ahead. Because the harsh truth is, saving alone won't make you rich. And if you're not playing the money game the right way in your 20s, you might already be losing. Look, unless your plan is to retire at 93 and eat beans from a can, stick around. This video might just change the way you think about money forever. We've all heard the same advice. Start saving early. Cut unnecessary expenses. Build an emergency fund. It's good advice on the surface. But here's the harsh truth. You can't save your way to wealth, not anymore. Let's do the math. If you save $200 a month in your 20s, that's $2,400 a year. Over a decade, that's $24,000 without interest. Sounds decent. Until you realize inflation is eating away at your hard-earned dollars every year. And by the time you're 30, you might still be broke, just slightly more prepared to be broke. The system wants you to believe that frugality is the path to freedom. But what it doesn't want you to know is this. Income is king. Investing is queen. And saving, just the court jester. So if saving alone won't cut it, then what will? In school, they taught us how to solve for X, but never how to calculate the true cost of a 30-year mortgage. They taught Shakespeare, but not how compound interest can make you wealthy without lifting a finger. Apparently, dissecting a frog is more useful than understanding credit scores. Here's what they don't teach you. 1. Your 20s are your greatest financial weapon, not because you earn a lot, but because you have time. 2. Money saved should be money deployed in investments, skills, or income-producing assets. 3. Lifestyle creep is real, and it'll rob you blind if you're not careful. The people who win at money don't just cut back. They learn how to earn more, invest better, and live smarter. That's the game. And if you're not playing it, you're the pawn. The clock is ticking. Every day you delay action in your 20s is a day your future self is robbed of opportunity. But don't worry, you're still early, and the shift starts now. So what's the real strategy? Let's break it down into 3 moves. The wealth builder trifecta. 1. Grow your income. Start a side hustle, freelance, monetize a skill. Your income potential is far greater than your ability to save. 2. Invest early and consistently use tools like Roth IRAs, index funds, or even fractional shares. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. 3. Live like you're broke. Invest like you're rich. Don't flex in your 20s. Building. The people showing off now will be working later. The people investing now will be free later. It's not about being cheap. It's about being smart. You don't need to sacrifice joy. Just trade short-term dopamine for long-term freedom. And if you're wondering, but how do I make extra money right now while still working my 9 to 5? That's what I did next. I didn't just talk theory, I took action. For 30 days, I tested 5 side hustles, from food delivery to freelancing. And the results, some were shockingly profitable. Others? Let's just say I wouldn't recommend them to my worst enemy. If you want to see exactly how much I made, what worked, and what was a complete waste of time, tap the end screen now and watch. I tried 5 side hustles for 30 days. Here's how much I made. Trust me, it'll change how you see your income forever. Remember, saving is smart, but building wealth, that's a whole different game. Play it wisely.